Welcome. On this video, we are going to be talking about the one-click EPUB button. And this is going to be a very short video because really all you need to do is validate and then one-click download, and then you're ready to use any of the Kindle publishing tools to upload your EPUB into Amazon Kindle. And I've got some bonus training on how to do the upload and which software to use. So check out the bonus section on that. But this is just the basics of how to get your EPUB ready to upload. I'm going to show you the one-click button to get compliance testing of your EPUB criteria. Also, how to download it, very simple to do. And again, it's just clicking a button. And we've talked earlier about doing optimized short form books to dominate Kindle Unlimited with good images, illustrations to get the page view count. I'm going to just quickly show you how we're doing the EPUB. Go over here to Bookmasher. And this was the last book we built. I'm just going to back out so you can see. Of course, these are all V2s in here. So I'm going to do the Been There, Roasted That, which if you'll remember, it's a great cover and great topic about building your own roasted coffee beans. This is the validate button. We want to validate it, and it's looking for a lot of different issues that Amazon sometimes has with EPUBs. And it will highlight any of those issues, and you can fix them here. Okay, valid EPUB. You're ready to EPUB download. It takes a few minutes. Perfect. 29 meg, ready to go. And just a quick note, here's how to do your PDF download. Very simple as well. And that's ready to look at. So let's just open up the PDF so you can see what it looks like. This looks really good. Okay. And to add a cover to this, you would just insert a page onto this either through Adobe or load it into your Google Docs, and you can insert a page that way. Very easy to do. Let's wrap up this training here. We bypass the headache of downloading an EPUB without getting it validated. Sometimes you're going to spend a lot of time trying to get it validated. We do all that work for you. And then the EPUB is ready to directly upload into KDP.
Your topic, your book, ready for Amazon.